Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a SaaS dashboard with Retool, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging in to your Retool account. Once logged in, click on the Create New button to start a new project. Choose the option to create a new app. Select a blank template to build your dashboard from scratch. On the left side, you will see the component panel. From here, you can drag and drop various components onto your canvas. Start by adding a container component to organize your layout. Next, choose and add a text component to display your dashboard title. Customize the text to reflect the purpose of your SaaS dashboard. Now, you need to connect your data source. Click on the Resources tab in the left sidebar. Select your desired database or API as the resource for your dashboard. If you haven't set one up yet, click on Add a Resource and follow the prompts. Once your resource is connected, go back to your app canvas. Click on the Query button to start pulling in data from your resource. Configure a new query based on the database or API you specified. Set the query type depending on your data needs, like select for databases or get for APIs. Test your query to ensure it retrieves the desired data. After successful testing, link the query to a table component on your canvas. Drag a table component onto the canvas and select your query from the settings. Customize the table columns to represent your data correctly. You might want to add additional components, like charts for better visual representation. To add a chart, drag the chart component onto your canvas. Connect the chart to the same query, or create a new one if needed. Adjust the chart settings to display the data meaningfully. Consider adding filters to allow users to customize their views. You can do this by adding drop-downs or sliders and linking them to your queries. Customize the appearance of your components to match your branding. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.